Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this, a 5-in-1 smart auto kit with all kinds of awesome tools and cleaning accessories to help take care of our Tesla. Let's get into it. So as we do on this channel, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through what's in the box. We're going to take a look at how everything comes packaged, and I'll show you what's included here. You get a nice instruction manual with all the accessories and information you'll actually need in there. And then everything comes packaged in this really cool carrying case. So let me get the box out of the way. And opening this up, and actually get a glimpse of everything that's going to be in here. We're going to spend some time going through all of these tools individually. There's a lot to unpack here. This kit is really cool in that everything is operated by one huge battery pack, and I love that. One battery pack, 15,000 milliamp hours, tons and tons of energy and actual usage out of this thing. So that's really cool. You get a vacuum with some additional accessories, a nice little portable car vacuum. This device right here is a tire inflator for your bike tires, your car tires, all kinds of cool stuff like that. Up top here, you see a battery-operated pressure washer gun. Really cool for cleaning off your car, cleaning off floor mats, all that good stuff. And right down here, an adjustable dial. Up in here is all your cables and cords to essentially accentuate all the things down here. I'm really excited to get into this kit. Let's go through the items one at a time, and I'll show you all the different use cases and how I plan to use this kit in my Tesla. Before we get into talking about any of the tools specifically that come with the kit, I want to highlight the battery and its really ingenious design. This battery comes with this little ring on top, and if you unscrew it, it's kind of a protective ring that helps keep all of these little attachment points nice and secure for when you want to use it. This plugs into all of the different tools that come with the kit, so it's really cool on its own already. Another couple features, it has a USB-C port right here in case you want to do some USB-C charging of your phone. It comes with an included USB port that goes to USB-C, so really nice there. This side is a DC input if you want to charge it that way. Over here is the actual Type-C charger. So to actually charge this battery up, you plug in a Type-C cable here, and that comes with the kit, so that's kind of really nice. One of the best hidden features of this battery is right here on the top. You can actually set your phone, and it does a wireless charging capable device for your phone. It's really cool. It's 15 watt wireless charging. You just set your phone on top. If you don't have a cord with you and you just want to charge up your device, go ahead and set it right on top here. It's really cool. It actually comes with a little included tray that you can use to wirelessly charge your phone, and it's really neat. Stick this in your cup holder, go ahead and set your phone on it, wirelessly charges. Say if you're out Tesla camping or doing something like that, really cool little feature. Let's go ahead and move on and talk about the first tool I want to talk about, the vacuum. So to start with your vacuum, go ahead and take off that actual protective ring on the top and bring over the vacuum attachment. And then it's just a process of kind of lining up the actual tabs of where they go. And there's a little arrow right here that shows you where this one goes, and just kind of find that similar side on here and go ahead and line that up. And kind of click them together. You see the two little pieces attached together right there. Go ahead and turn on your power bank, and one button up here turns on your vacuum. Really nice suction. One more gets a higher level of suction too. And you can turn it off. So 2 levels of suction on the vacuum. It's really nice. They also include this little additional tool here, like a crevice tool, which fits right in the end here. And if you don't want to actually have the brush, you can take off the brush. And then you get a nice little compact car vacuum. Super nice. It has 19,000 pascals of suction. A really nice kind of powerful little mini vacuum. Let's test it out. When you're all done cleaning, the actual top part here unscrews. You kind of set that off to the side. And then your little filter inside, you go ahead and bang that off. See all the little crumbs and dust that I collected just from a few seconds of cleaning. Go ahead and bang that off, bang that out. Give it maybe a little wipe down, and you're good to go. Reinsert your filter, reinstall the cover back on your vacuum. And there you go. You're good to go again. So a nice little invention. I really like just the portability of it. You're probably not going to be able to clean all the dog hair and stuff like that out of your carpets, but for light cleanups and crumbs, if you have little kids, this is going to be a game changer. The next part of the kit I want to talk about and show you guys is the actual tire inflator. This is a really cool little piece of kit. It does a lot of different things. So just like before, we're going to go ahead and line up our little battery just like before, lock it in, and you can already see the screen right here kind of lighting up, kind of showing us some different settings and things like that. First off, I want to show you on the top here, you get an LED light. So click the little light button right here, and it does a couple different settings. So we'll start with the beginning. Clicking the first one is just a bright LED light in case you need flashlight wherever you are. The next setting is a blinking strobe light for kind of a safety thing. And you actually get an SOS and Morse code kind of thing too. So it's really cool right off the bat, kind of a nice safety device as well. Then you can actually come down here and do all your settings. If you want to do it in PSI, bar, different kind of bar or different kind of PSI for like bikes. I'm going to set it at the PSI, and I like to have my tires right around 40 PSI is where I've kind of been running them. I went ahead and lowered the air pressure in my tire here because I want to test this out and see how it actually works. So I went ahead and lowered the air pressure, and let's give it a test. Right now, it's about like 30 or so PSI. Let me see if you guys can see that. Right around 33 or so PSI, and I have the device set to 40. So I'm going to go ahead and use the included cord that it came with. It also comes with a little baggie here, some needles and some different inflator devices for inflating all your sports balls or like, I don't know, pool equipment, things like that you want to use. But I'm going to go ahead and thread this on. Just like that. We're actually going to see how this works in real time. Thread that on until it's nice and tight. Let's turn the device on. Make sure it's set to that 40 PSI, which is what I want. And use the little inflator. Clamp it down on my tire if I can do this. There we go. And yep, it's reading 33. So just like my little gauge was reading too. And let's start it. And there you go. The device auto shut off when it hit that 40 PSI. It's showing 41 right now. So I guess it gets right in the vicinity. I'm super happy with that. Overall tittle time took maybe about 2 minutes to inflate from 33 up to 40, especially when you get in those higher PSIs, it takes longer. So let's go ahead and pop this off and we'll test it with my actual tester. See how close we got. Just a skosh over 40, if you can see that, which is perfect for our Tesla tires, especially when they're cold. So I like that a lot. Really cool device. Go ahead and screw my little end cap back on. And a really cool and versatile little device. And if you don't have a tire inflator in your Tesla, they don't inherently come with spare wheels. So what a great device to have. If you ever do have a low tire or a flat and you don't want to risk having to tow your car, having a little kit like this will be really helpful. I like this a lot. So the last little piece of kit I want to show off is the actual portable pressure washer gun. This is actually a really cool design and a nice kind of piece of kit overall. Again, it's going to use the same universal battery, so just kind of line up the exact same way we've done before, click it in place, and you're good to go. It's actually already going to start running just on that battery. You should know this is a portable power washer gun. You're not going to be power washing your siding or your concrete with something like this. It's for light cleaning duties like, your car, or what I'm going to be doing, cleaning off a power or a floor mat with this. So it's actually really cool. Also in the kit, you get a soap dispenser, which attaches to the end too, if you want to use it for like soaping down your car, which is nice. I wish I could wash my car. It's like 15 degrees out here today, so it's super cold. I'm not going to be doing that. You also get this awesome multi-function tip, which we're going to test out all these different like little designs on the end here and see which one we like for kind of power cleaning. The last thing you get included in the kit is the actual hose. And so we're actually going to attach this side to our gun and dip this down in our bucket of water there. So again, it's super portable and I really like that. I'm going to get this set up and we're going to start hosing down that floor mat and see how it cleans. So right here, we have it on the 40-degree tip. Let's change it down to like, I don't know, 15, and we'll see what kind of pressure we get out of this. I mean, that's pretty good pressure. So 15-degree, 25-degree tip. We got a 0-degree tip if you just want the actual little straight line. I like that. Little 0 plus. So extra strength. This one's kind of like a shower mode, I think. Yeah. You just want to wet it down. Go ahead and rinse your car off with the actual shower mode. We're going to try the 15 degree, and we're going to kind of blast off this mat over here. Well, I'm really impressed with the pressure of this little thing. It actually is a pretty decent cleaning kind of angle. The actual tip where you get all the different kind of angles on there is really nice. It's a solidly built little unit, and I haven't used barely any of the water in my 5-gallon bucket. So you probably get, I don't know, 15, 20-foot hose here. So lots of cleaning room. You're not having to haul the bucket around, and it's actually really convenient. Just one button and it goes. Definitely useful for any car enthusiast who likes doing cleaning of their car, spraying down your floor mats. Definitely recommend all-weather floor mats if you already don't have them for your Tesla. But again, a really nice piece of kit, all powered by that same battery. Really cool. So overall, I'm really impressed with this 5-in-1 kit from Handshow. I think there's all kinds of versatility and utility that you can get with a kit like this. I want to quickly start off by saying all the cleaning that I did, the power washing, the vacuuming, the charging, the inflating, I didn't even use a single bar of the 3 indicators of the actual battery pack. So this 15,000 milliamp hour battery pack, it's going to last you a long time. It's not going to require a ton of charging, and it's actually super convenient to have just one battery pack power all these tools. I love the design. I love the thought that went into this kit, the actual just kind of layout, how it all zips away. I can toss it in my frunk, toss it in my sub trunk. Then I have all of this stuff with me whenever I need it, which is really cool. The vacuum worked great, was able to pick up all the crumbs and dust from my crevices. The little tire inflator you guys saw worked really well. It comes with all the accessories you need, the actual needle for inflating your sports balls, if you inflate different pool equipment, things like that. How cool would you be when you roll up to the pool in the summer and you're like, I got all these pool inflatables, you kids go play, and within a couple minutes you have them all inflated due to your actual inflator, instead of using your breath to blow them all up. That's really cool too. And I actually really like the power washer. Again, it's not going to blast off your siding or clean your porch or things like that, clean your deck or spray off your fence. It's really just for that kind of light duty cleaning and just going in and knowing that. And so your expectations are where they are. You're not power washing concrete with this thing. It's for kind of that light duty cleaning. So again, a really nice kit. I want to thank Handshow for sending it over to me and just kind of give them a big shout out. Right now, it's their Black Friday sale at Handshow. It's 26% off when you use my discount code right here on the screen. Gamble1080 will help save you a ton on anything at Handshow. Shop right now. You can see the graphic on the screen. It's their giant Black Friday sale. It goes all the way through November. Using my discount code Gamble1080 will save you more than any other discount they have going on their website right now. So use my creator code. It really helps out the channel, and it lets Handshow know that, hey, I saw this through Gamble1080's channel. He did a really good job. I appreciate it. So just thank you for supporting me and supporting the channel. If you're interested in this kit, there will be a link to it down in the description, as well as my code Gamble1080 to use there. If you're looking for anything else that I have done to my Tesla, check out my Amazon storefront. You'll see that down in the description as well. All the different things I use to Tesla camp, how I clean my Tesla, electric scooters and rideables, all kinds of cool stuff over on my Amazon storefront. So check that out as well. Thank you guys for all the support on the channel. As always, feel free to like and subscribe. We'll definitely catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.